again. As you all know, today is Monday. And what is Monday? Yes, Mathemagic Monday. In my last session, we had explored the world of money, where we learned all about the barter system, the evolution of money, the definition of money, and money in its various forms. Money comes in paper currency, in a coin currency, and yes, of course, plastic money. In our today's session, we will learn a little more about plastic money and how we can use money in different combinations. What is plastic money? Plastic money refers to hard plastic cards we use instead of paper notes or currency coins. Yes, I'm quite sure, learners, you all must have seen these cards in your parents' purse. Now, plastic money comes in the form of credit cards, debit cards, ATM cards, and smart cards. We can use these cards whenever we want to do our shopping or buy our train or bus tickets or even at the ATM machines. The ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine, where we use our card to receive money from that machine. So as you can see, this is what I was referring to as plastic money made of hard plastic. Can you see this? Hard plastic. And this plastic money comes in the form of debit cards, credit cards, smart cards, and so on. And what you can also see is that these cards have a special number and the name of the bank written on the card. These cards we can also use in the ATM machines, that is the automated teller machine. So if Papa goes to a shop to buy you your favorite doll or your favorite superhero, what does he give the shopkeeper instead of real money? Yes, he gives him a debit card or a credit card, and that is known as plastic money. And what happens when the shopkeeper swipes Papa's card on his machine? Well, the money from Papa's bank account goes directly into the shopkeeper's bank account, what is also called as a digital transfer. So you see the magic that happens here? Papa has not used his paper currency or coin currency to buy that doll or superhero. He has simply used his plastic money. Now you may wonder, what is a bank? We've heard of the word bank and we have also seen a bank. Yes, but what happens there? A bank is a place where we, all people, deposit our money in the bank. What does deposit mean? You can say the word with me. Deposit, deposit, deposit. Well, deposit means to keep or store. So we keep our money in banks, and you know what happens there? The bank also gives us some money for keeping our money with them. But what the bank gives us is known as interest. So whatever money we keep in our bank account, we earn something called as interest. Isn't that interesting? So let us sum up by saying credit cards or debit cards are much easier to carry and it occupies very little space in our wallets or purses. Another reason is when making payments by cash, it becomes very difficult to remember where we have spent all that money. But when we use our debit card or credit card, we receive monthly statement from the bank telling us where we have spent all that money. Where has all that money disappeared? Isn't that great? Now let's learn to make different money combinations. So if I want to buy a chocolate that cost rupees 5, but I do not have an exact 5 rupee coin with me, what will I do? Well, let's see what I have here. I have 5 1 rupee coins. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, did you see? 5 1 rupee coins make 5 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1 rupee coins make 5 rupees. Now what is the other way I can make this 5 rupees? Yes, a 2 rupee coin, another 2 rupee coin and another 1 rupee coin. So if you're well versed in your skip counting of 2, all you got to do is 2, 4 plus 1 will give you 5. So 2 2 rupee coins plus 1 rupee coin will give you a 5 rupees. And yes, there's another way we can make 5 rupees. And what's that? Let me see. We have a 2 rupee coin, a 1 rupee coin, another 1 rupee coin and another 1 rupee coin. So, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 1 2 rupee coin and 3 1 rupee coins will give you 5 rupees. Isn't that fun? So the next time, Daddy gave me a 10 rupees to put into my piggy bank. Oops, what did he do? He gave me 2 coins. Let's check the denominations of these 2 coins. Well, it was a 5 rupees and another 5 rupees. So, 5 and 5 make 10. So this is one way of making a 10 rupees. Now what is the other way of making a 10 rupees? Let's see. Well, yes. What we have here is a 5 rupees, a 2 rupees, another 2 rupees and a 1 rupee. So 5 and 2 make 7. 7 and 2 make 9. 9 and 1 more make 10. So 5 rupees and 2 rupees plus 1 rupee will give you a 10 rupees. Let's find out another way of making a 10 rupees. Well, this is very simple because all you got to do is take your 2 rupee coin and another 2 rupee coin, yet another, and another, and yes, another coin of 2 rupees. Come on, let's do our skip counting of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 2 rupee coins will make 10 rupees. So if an apple costs rupees 7, what are the different combinations in which I can make rupees 7? Well, let's see. I have with me 7 1 rupee coins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7 1 rupee coins make rupees 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another way to make rupees 7 is a 5 rupee coin and 2 1 rupee coins will give us rupees 7. 5, 6, 7. And yet another way to make rupees 7 is you have a 5 rupee coin and a 2 rupee coin. And yes, 5 rupees and 2 rupees will make rupees 7. So bingo! These are the different combinations to make rupees 7.
Let's see what's happening here. Ritu wants to buy a cupcake. The cupcake costs 5 rupees. But Ritu does not have exact 5 rupees with her. So she gives the shopkeeper 10 rupees. Now the shopkeeper has to return some money back to her. Well, if you know your subtraction, you can do this because 10 minus 5 equals to 5. So the shopkeeper will return Ritu 5 rupees back.
So learners, hope you'll enjoyed this learning session. Now off you go and complete those seesaw assignments, which you'll have to upload latest by Tuesday evening. Tuesday, well, that reminds me. What is Tuesday? Yes, it's stories all the way. And who will be coming over to narrate those beautiful stories? Miss Mahira will be coming over with a bank of books. All you've got to do is give her your listening ear, okay?